Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to print full A4 size paper in landscape in MS Word. For this you need to click on the file and click on the print. So first you need to select your printer. From this arrow you can select the printer, and here is the setting. If you want to take the print of all pages you need to select this option, and if you want to take the front page print you need to select this option. I'll be selecting this one. And if you want to select the print one-sided you need to select this option, otherwise you need to select on the both sides if you have multiple pages. And in the orientation you need to click on this and select the landscape orientations, and here you can see that the print preview has been changed from portrait to landscape. And here is the paper size. You need to click on this and change it legal to A4, and then go to the margins and select the narrow margins, and here you can see that it's up to you which one you like it. And then you need to click on this print option, then your print will be routed. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can print full A4 size paper landscape in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.